One song, five cultures. A global musical journey. Music's power to connect and resonate with diverse audiences is truly unparalleled. In this video, we delve into the story of a remarkable song that has transcended its origins to become a cultural phenomenon across 5 different regions. Each culture has embraced and transformed the song, infusing it with their unique styles and instruments. As it traveled from one continent to another, the song picked up new layers, rhythms, and meanings, reflecting the distinct traditions and innovations of each place. This journey showcases the song's ability to adapt and thrive in various musical landscapes, underscoring the universality of music as a form of expression and communication. Cultural context of origin. The song in question has its roots in the vibrant musical traditions of West Africa, an area celebrated for its intricate rhythms and lively tunes. West African music often serves multiple purposes, including entertainment, storytelling, and preserving historical narratives. This particular song is no exception, playing a key role in communal activities and ceremonies. It is traditionally performed with a range of local instruments such as the djembe and kora, which add depth and texture to its sound. The song's lyrics and melodies are crafted to convey stories, impart wisdom, and strengthen social bonds within the community. This cultural heritage is further enriched by the region's emphasis on oral history and performance, ensuring that each rendition of the song is a unique experience. Griots, or traditional storytellers, often play a central role in these performances, using the song as a medium to pass down important cultural knowledge and values from one generation to the next. Culture. 1. In South America, the song experienced a vibrant transformation. Local musicians, captivated by its rhythms, infused it with their regional instruments, such as the charango and pan flute. These new elements provided a unique twist, creating a fusion that retains the song's essence while celebrating South American musical traditions. The integration of African rhythms into local styles has led to a refreshing blend that honors both origins. Incorporating the song into these events has brought about a greater appreciation for the rich, shared history between African and South American cultures. The energetic performances often include traditional dances, further enhancing the song's lively character. This cultural exchange underscores the universal language of music, where different traditions can merge to create something new and exciting. Through this adaptation, the song has become a beloved piece that bridges continents, reflecting the diversity and interconnectedness of global music. The adaptation in South America highlights how music can transcend geographical boundaries, fostering a shared cultural heritage. As the song continues to evolve, it serves as a testament to the ongoing dialogue between African and South American musical traditions, enriching the cultural tapestry of both regions. Culture. 2. In Southeast Asia, the song has taken on new life through unique cultural elements. Traditional dance routines and local instruments like the gamelan have been seamlessly integrated, giving the song a melodic and meditative quality distinct from its original form. This version stands out for its soothing effect and is frequently showcased in cultural performances and ceremonies. Musicians in the region have embraced the song, enriching it with harmonious layers and intricate melodies that reflect Southeast Asian musical traditions. Culture. 3. When the song reached the shores of the Caribbean, it underwent a vibrant transformation infused with the region's lively beats. The introduction of steel drums and maracas added an energetic and rhythmic layer, perfectly aligning with the festive spirit of Caribbean culture. The fusion of African rhythms with Caribbean musical styles highlights the region's rich history of cultural blending. The lively performances often feature dynamic dance routines that add to the song's infectious energy. Through this adaptation, the song has become an essential part of the Caribbean's musical heritage, showcasing the region's ability to embrace and transform global influences into something uniquely their own. The use of traditional instruments and the incorporation of local dance styles give the song a fresh yet familiar feel, ensuring its popularity across generations. Culture. In Eastern Europe, the song has seamlessly integrated into modern musical trends, bridging traditional sounds with contemporary beats. Local artists have embraced the song, reimagining it by incorporating electronic music elements alongside classic folk instruments like the balalaika and accordion. This fusion has created a dynamic version that appeals to a broad audience, capturing the essence of both heritage and innovation. The song's new rendition is frequently played at music festivals, nightclubs, and cultural events, where it brings together listeners of all ages. The integration of electronic music has given the song a pulsating energy, making it a favorite among DJs and producers. Local dance groups have also contributed to the song's popularity by incorporating it into their routines. The song's transformation in Eastern Europe exemplifies how cultural adaptation can breathe new life into traditional music, ensuring its relevance in a rapidly changing world. The blend of old and new elements creates a unique soundscape that honors the past while embracing the future. This evolution showcases the region's rich musical heritage and its capacity to innovate culture. 5. In North America, the song has undergone a creative transformation that incorporates elements of blues and jazz, resulting in a fresh interpretation that appeals to a wide audience. Musicians in this region have skillfully blended the song's original rhythms with the improvisational and expressive qualities of these American genres. Live performances of this version are a testament to its broad appeal, often featuring a blend of traditional instruments alongside electric guitars and saxophones. This global musical journey illustrates the incredible ability of a single song to unite diverse cultures through shared rhythms and melodies. As it traveled from West Africa to South America, Southeast Asia, the Caribbean, Eastern Europe, and North America, the song evolved, absorbing new influences and reflecting the unique musical traditions of each region. These transformations underscore music's role as a dynamic force, capable of both preserving heritage and fostering innovation. Each culture's adaptation of the song highlights their creativity and respect for its origins, showcasing the universal appeal of music. This journey not only enriches the song itself, but also fosters a deeper appreciation for the rich, interconnected world of global music.